Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Klarna not working so you can get back to shopping without any issues. First, update the Klarna app. Go to your App Store or Google Play, check if there's an update available, and install it to make sure you have the latest version. Clear cookies and check connection. If you're using a browser, clear your cookies and site data. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're not on a restricted network. Fix payment issues. Make sure you have enough funds on your connected card, and if you receive a two-factor authentication prompt, follow it completely to approve the payment. Klarna card users. If it's your first time using the card, make a chip and PIN purchase. If your card is frozen or blocked, unlock it in the Klarna app or use an ATM if you've entered the wrong PIN too many times. Contact Klarna support. If none of these steps work, open the Klarna app and use the 24/7 chat or contact support in your country for help. And that's it. That's how to fix Klarna not working. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.